Hi, I'm Redonna from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Patty with me, my second mom that I pretty much grew up with. Anyway, long story short, her daughter is still my best friend from 5th grade. So yeah, she knows everything about me and I know almost everything about her. But, okay, she has a really cute haircut. I wanted to show you that. I'm just gonna put her head down here. We're just gonna trim this up. And you can see I'm just taking about 1/4 of an inch is it. We just like to keep it shaped. And this is such a cute, cute style when you don't feel like you can go a short pixie but you want it to look full. This is a really, really cute haircut. So when you do the sides, you can just make sure their head is straight there. And you can see just about 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and then back here, same thing. Yeah, through the years, so Patty's been coming for, gosh, 25, 26 years now of me doing her hair, and it's been fun. We've done lots of different things, lots of different colors. We've just about done it all.
I like to change it up.
That's right. She definitely does like to change it up, which I love because obviously a hairstylist loves to change things up for sure. Okay, so her layers, again, we're just going to kind of come in and trim this up. Yep, we have had some super fun times. And we lived kitty corner from each other when they moved in. And anyway, Sherry was like, she was like my sister actually, because all my siblings are older. So I was left in the house when they all moved out. And so Sherry just stayed with me all the time. When we would go camping, she would be the one that I would invite, you know, because who wants to go camp by themselves, right?
And Sherry didn't have a sister either. She
see?
had 2 brothers, so that was good.
Good point. You know what? It is. It's so fun. And to this day, we are best friends. Like, she has my back, I have hers. It's so fun. We've helped with all of our kids' weddings. We've had 3 so far, my 2 and her 1. Anything, just like weddings, showers. I moved into my new house and Shari had a day and she come and helped me move. And anyway, it's amazing. It's so good to have one of those friends, for sure. So you can see I'm just taking sections, horizontal, vertical, not horizontal, vertical, straight up and down. Maybe that's just best to say. Vertical this way. Okay, same with this. And you can see I'm just kind of holding it straight out from the head. Okay, awesome. And now this top part, we're just gonna come straight across. You can see where I have trimmed back there. So that's your guide point. You'll just follow that. Come straight across. You guys, it's so fun to be in my home, in my salon. I'm so excited. We'll do a video on the salon to show you guys, but it's really fun to be here. I'm super excited. It's my first day in here, so it's awesome to be doing a video.
And it's beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. It's fun. I did do more lighting in this salon, so I hope it's a lot better. Now it's just putting in the yard. That's always the chore, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just coming up on these sides and trimming that up. Okay, same thing here. Just holding this out. You can just see those little ends. Take those off. Okay, sweet. Now, she always parts from the left to the right, which is your right to the left, the way you're watching. Okay, we are going to come in here and just trim the sides, just so they stay nice and fresh. Patty definitely has healthy hair. She's always taking good care of her hair, so.
It's just thin.
Okay, well, see, that's a good point though. See, it's just thin, but it's much better to have healthy thin hair because you can make it look thicker with product than yucky. So even if your hair is thin, definitely take care of it. Definitely helps. And this is a good cut, you guys, for thin, fine hair. Because it gives volume up through this top. And we're gonna do some texturizing, just a tiny bit. I don't wanna do a ton with her. Just right there, here, and over here on the side, okay? So just a little bit. That's gonna give it some volume, but it doesn't take a ton of hair out. And then we will do the mousse. And then the volume and thickening spray. And all these, like the capes, the products, everything I use is linked in the bottom, and we have them all in one spot. So you can just push on the link and look that over. I have a ton more things I want to put in there. It's just taking the time to do it. So it'll just keep growing. So yeah, I've got stuff in there. I have people tell me all the time, where did you get your shirt? Or ask, you know, where did you get your lipstick? Anyway, I'll be putting all that stuff in there just a little bit at a time. As fast as we can, but it just takes a lot of time. But yeah, so I just thought it would be a lot easier to put everything on a link. And so anyway, should be on the bottom. But if there is any questions or there is something that you do want to see, let me know. This round brush is on there also. I like to round brush Patty's hair because it gives it more volume. You can see I'm just taking little sections up. Then you can hold it, let it cool for a second, and then let go. I don't like to start round brushing until it's about 80% dry. If you try to start round brushing when it's too wet, you'll really pull your hair and you'll get frustrated. I can guarantee that because it'll feel like you're like trying to round brush forever and it won't dry and your hair gets caught. And it definitely does make a difference in what round brush you have. If your hair like slides through it or it doesn't, or it catches, this is a really, really good one because it does hold onto the hair, but it doesn't pull the hair. And it does have a metal base, and so it brings the heat through evenly. On the top, I like to pull straight up. You can see again, just pulling straight up. Then you can let it kind of dry a second, cool, and then you can let go. And that way, it gives it more volume. You doing good, Patty?
I'm doing good.
You're a darling. You're a darling. Thank you. So you can just see that I started at the bottom and now I'm coming back up and I'm up to the top area. So that's when I start kind of holding the brush straight up. Okay, I was just letting that cool, and you can see how it just lifts it. Okay, sweet. Okay, now we're gonna back comb back here. I'm gonna hold this. There is a pin comb on that link too. A lot of people like to use these pin combs. In, down, and out. And then the hairspray. If you like a good hold, this is the good hold hairspray that I love. Okay, same thing. You can see that I'm just kind of going down in sections. I start from the top, get it out of the way, back comb the next section. Okay, I'm just kind of combing that back into place. Patty and I love volume. If you don't have volume, don't feel ready, huh, Patty?
Right? Makes your face look thinner.
Oh, I love that. I love that. Nobody's brought that up. That is seriously, it's true, because when you're, love that, Patty. That is a great comment right there. Good point. Okay. Now, after I back comb that, spray that. That's what I'm going to tell Garrison. My face is rounder. Well, my hair just wasn't as big today. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to turn her into the mirror so I can see what we've got going. Okay. Cute, Patty.
It is cute. It's always like,
oh,
you did such a great job.
Thank you. You are so good to me. Okay.
It's true.
Thank you. So flippin' cute. Okay. Now I'm just going to spray this. I'm going to turn her around so you can see how the layers, all these layers in here makes it fuller. Because sometimes if you have just even shoulder length and it's too heavy, you're gonna feel like it just hangs, like there's not a style. So this is a fun way to add the style into it, is with these layers. So thank you, Patty, again, you're amazing. Thanks again for watching, and go ahead and check out the link below with all those fun things in there, and I'll just keep adding to that. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks again. See ya.